Good afternoon, student. Welcome to the VVPS learning classes. And in the previous video, children, you all have done the exercises of the resources, including the fill up, true false, matching, and some of the short questions. Today you will do the remaining part of the short answers and some of the detailed answers. Before starting this, I want to say one thing, that you have written some of the exercises in your fair copy. The question wherever you have written, you have to start the new questions from the next line, not from the next page. इसका मतलब ये है कि आपका आंसर्स जहाँ पे भी आप सबने अपना फोर्थ आंसर कंप्लीट किया है, उसके ठीक नेक्स्ट लाइन से आप फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करोगे, ना कि आप नेक्स्ट पेज से स्टार्ट करोगे. It is clear? Now see here. Mention the two ways to conserve resources. Conserve means protest. हमें दो वेज बताने हैं, दो तरीके बताने हैं जिससे हम लोग अपने रिसोर्सेज को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. The two ways to conserve resources are, first one is the alternative sources, especially renewable resources have to be used इंस्टीड ऑफ द नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज. यानी हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि ज़्यादातर हम लोग रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज यूज़ करें नॉन रिन्यूएबल के मुकाबले, क्योंकि रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज जो होते हैं दे कैन ऑल्सो बी रिप्लेनिश और रिन्यूड अगेन्स. एग्जाम्पल लाइक द सनलाइट, एयर, वाटर डिजॉल्व. And second point, use of the fossil fuel like the coal and petroleum have to be controlled. Means in a limited way we have to use it. Now we come to the detailed answer. Give the classification of resources on the basis of their exhaustibility. Give two examples of each. On the basis of the exhaustibility, resources classified into the following group. The first one is the renewable resources. In the previous video, children, I have explained you about the renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which do not get exhausted with uses. They may be temporarily diminished with uses but are renewed again by natural process of proper management. मतलब ये पूरी तरीके से ख़त्म नहीं होता है, नेचुरली ये फिर से वापस कंटिन्यू हो जाता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, like the fertility of soil in agricultural land is reduced with uses but may be increased again by the addition of manures. Next, non-renewable resources. The exhaustibility or non-renewable resources are substances whose stock decreases and gradually disappear with the uses. They cannot be replenished or recover, so they are non-renewable resources. मतलब ये फिर से कवर नहीं हो सकता. अगर ये ख़त्म हो गया टोटली तो इसको फिर से बनने में millions of the years लग जाते हैं. Some example is also given here. You can see they get exhausted, that is they usually destroyed with the uses. Examples like the fossil fuel and minerals. Up to here it is clear. Now we come to the next question. What is mean by the sustainable development? What are the principle of the sustainable development? In the previous video, I have explained you about the sustainable development. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserving them for the future is called the sustainable development. मतलब जो resources जिसे हम यूज़ करते हैं उसको एक बैलेंस बना के रखना और प्लस फ्यूचर के लिए उसे प्रोटेक्ट करके रखना, ये होता है सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. एंड सम ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल्स इज गिवन हियर. यू कैन सी हियर द पॉइंट. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज रेस्पेक्ट एंड केयर फॉर ऑल फॉर्म ऑफ द लाइफ. सेकेंड, इम्प्रूविंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ. थर्ड, कंजर्विंग द अर्थ वाइटलिटी एंड द डाइवर्सिटी. मिनिमाइजिंग द डेप्लीटेशंस ऑफ natural resources, changing personal attitude and practices toward the environment, and enabling community to care for their own environment. Up to here you all have to write. Okay, these are the two detailed answer that you have to do in the fair copy. In the next video I will tell you one of the diagram that you have to draw in the fair copy, and you also have to do the exercises which is given in the practice assignment, that is in the back side of the book। मतलब आपकी बुक जो है उसके पीछे में आप देखोगे कि एक प्रैक्टिस असाइनमेंट की एक स्मॉल शॉर्ट बुक्स उसमें अटैच है, जिसके एक्सरसाइजेज भी आपको फिल करने हैं। फर्स्ट यू क्लियर अप टू हियर, देन इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल टेल यू अबाउट द practice assignment। Thank you class।